Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. Welcome to the Brown Guy channel. I'll be your host for today, and I'm Mr. Brown Guy. Now you might have guessed it already, because today we are making a meal prep video. 1800 calories that you need to eat in order to lose some weight. But before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out more than you can imagine. Thank you. Alright, in today's video we are going to make 4 meals. That means breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack that will make you full before you go to bed. Alright, meal number 1 is going to consist of 2 eggs, 3 egg whites, and 1 English muffin. If you don't have an English muffin, this will do as well. This is some high fiber protein bread. Make sure you get some high fiber because it'll be better for your digestion and it will actually suppress your appetite for a bit. When it comes to the eggs, get some egg whites. You can get full eggs, that's alright, but with egg whites you just won't end up wasting anything.
One day we up, one day we down, one day we up, one day we down. One day we up, down, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, down, one day we up.
Alright, meal number 2. Meal number 2 is going to be easy as hell. That means 1 chicken breast. Just fry it on the pan, make sure it's going to be crispy as hell. And some frozen veggies. The aim here is fry the chicken first. Once that is done, take it off, put the veggies in, fry it for a bit, and then mix it together. You can put it on a Tupperware, get it to work, school, or just eat it at home. That's up to you.
One day we up, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, one day we up, one day we down. One day we down, one day we up, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, 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 one day we up. One day we up, down, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, down, one day we up, one day we down.
Ta-da! Meal number 3 is going to be beef minced pie. If you don't like beef, use chicken. If you don't like chicken, use turkey. In this case, I'm going to use 250 grams of meat, 300 grams of potatoes. To get it as tasty as possible, mix it up with some veggies, spices, garlic, onions, whatever you like. Just use a little portion and make sure you don't go over the calories.
One day we down, one day we up, down, one day we up. One day we up, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, one day we up, one day we down, one day we up, one day we up, one day we down. One day we down.
4, call it a dessert, a snack, whatever you'd like. Meal number 4 is going to consist of 200 grams of low-fat yogurt, 20 grams of peanut butter, and 1 scoop of whey protein powder. This is a meal that's going to suppress our appetite and make sure we don't go into a catabolic state. So if you're ready for it, let's get cooking.
One day we up, one day we down. One day we up, one day we down. One day we up, down. One day we up, one day we down. One day we up, down. One day we up.
They call me sane. Ratatouille sane. 1800 calories, done. Easy as that. You got 1 meal, 2 meal, 3 meal. Actually, you got 4 meals. Big inspiration. But if you have any other recipes that you'd like me to cover or make my version of it, maybe you got something delicious but not as healthy, let me know. Now if you haven't already, drop a like, give the channel a subscribe, and let your friends know about Mr. Brown Guy. I'll see you next time.